everyone, welcome to Unleash Dance.
On this channel, you will find
This is our hip hop series, and let's look at what we have in store for you today. Hello, in this video, we are going to learn some popping moves, specifically the chest pop and the arm pop. So let's get started. I'm going to place my feet in neutral position and keep them relaxed. To do the chest pop, you use your ab muscles and your back muscles. Remember, do not use your shoulder muscles. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to lift my chest diagonally up, not forward, but diagonally up to do the chest pop. So let's do that. 5, 6, 7, go. Pop and back. Pop and back. Same thing to the other side. Pop, back, pop, back. So I'm not using my shoulders, I'm not doing 1, 2, 1, 2, but it's your ab and your back muscles that you use to pop your chest up and down. Alright, let's move on to arm pops. So let's learn the arm pop. Keep your hands fisted and feel the strength in your wrist as if you're hitting something. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the jerk really small, keep the movement really small as you do this. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to our tricep muscles. Imagine you're holding something and you really want to break it, and it's very tough to break. So you clench your fists and try to break it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You feel the contraction in your triceps as well as your wrist muscles. So don't use your elbows or your shoulders, to jerk. It is just the contraction in your muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try the chest pop and the arm pops together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the move, guys. Let's try it with some music. Dance. Thanks for watching.
if you've liked our video.
Do like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon.
Stay tuned.